Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an error message that reads that the protected content cannot be viewed in this device. So typically this will occur when you're attempting to use screen mirroring, which is basically just allowing the user of one screen to share the device screen with another one using wireless technology. And then I'll show you how to resolve that. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung control panel and click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step, so pag ganito yung makita mo and dito lang sa upper right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung arrow na yan and select mo lang dito yung category. So click mo lang yan. Tapos dito sa category, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa network and internet, so kailangan mo ulit dito i-select yung network and sharing center. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa network and sharing centers, ang next step, dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung media streaming options. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa kanyang choose media streaming options for computers and devices, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin itong i-turn on. Okay? So makikita mo dito yung turn on media streaming. So click mo lang yan. Ayan. So makikita mo na na-turn on na natin yung media streaming. Alright? So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito, i-allowed mo lang siya, and then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix protected content be viewed on this device. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.